This is quite a common problem. This sticks through the window here, where this fabric sticks through the rear window. Have a look at that. That's a job I'll be taking on. With the window in the half position, if you look under here, you'll see the problem almost straight away. There's the problem. It's this elastic that's actually snapped, and that pulls that in when the door shuts. So the idea is to stitch that to this and repair it, and that's what I'm going to attempt to do now. Had a bit of trouble finding it on this side, but I got a needle through it, if that helps you. This broken elastic, it hides right up there. It's a little bit fiddly, but it can be done. And that's the next one to be stitched. If you can see that. It's right under there. Put the camera up there to show you. That's where the offending elastic is. I had a bit of a disaster with this one because I started to sew it on and it broke off the other end. So the next course of action is pulling it. That's where it wants to pull. I'm doing that by hand. Just pulling that down. I think if I sew the to that, I'm going to try that. Try and sew the elastic to that and see what happens. I hope this makes sense. I've managed to find a flange up there, which is the back end of that, and now I'm trying to stitch that up. If that makes sense to any of you who are watching this. Pulling that now, which is also pulling in at the top. So I'm pulling that and pulling that. Hopefully that'll work. Well, that's it. Now it's the moment of truth. Let's remove the box which is there to wedge the car up with, and let's just try it and see what happens. It seems to have worked on that side. Still got the problem on that side. A bit more tension on it this time. See if that makes any difference. Well, let's give it a go. After many attempts, I managed to get it to close like this. The secret is just keep increasing the tension on the elastic. Just keep increasing the tension till eventually it starts to pull in. It's not a great idea from Mercedes, and it should have been a recall, that one, because just about every CLK Mercedes convertible CLK is affected. Here's just some of the tools you'll need to do this job. A torch to see up there, a mirror would be handy, and some needle and thread, plus some good elastic. Well, it doesn't look very pretty, but I've managed to loop that round that bar there, if you can see it, just there, and managed to find a flange up there. I'll show you up there with some stronger elastic. Same again round there, and then I've sewed it to the little tag that did survive on that side.